In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow someone on Snapchat. Just go ahead over to your messages icon right here at the bottom left, tap on it, and in here in the chat section, just go ahead and locate the person that you would want to unfollow. Let's say, for example, this guy right here. What we're going to do next to unfollow them is just basically tap on his or her Bitmoji or name. All right, tap on it. Now in here, there are no options to unfriend, right? Just go ahead and locate the three dots right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in here, you have a lot of options. You can go ahead and tap on Manage Friendship or go ahead over to Story Settings. Tap on it. If you have this enabled, you'll be able to receive notifications when the person uploaded something. All right, you can just go ahead and hit on Mute Story right here, and there will be a pop-up. This person will appear higher when they add to their story or appear up next when you're watching stories. All right, you can also stop your stories from appearing to his or her profile. Let's say, for example, click on the three dots again and go to My Story. Untick this one so the person won't be able to view any of your stories or get notified. Or if you wanted to unfriend them or block them so you won't be able to hear from them again, just go ahead over to the three dots again, tap on Manage Friendship, and here you can either remove friend or block the person. All right, let's say, for example, you wanted to block the person, just go ahead and tap on it and hit on block if you're really sure. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.